Okay, so I lost 4 inches in 14 days, and I don't think it's a bad thing, right? Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is a challenge video. Okay, so it is basically 2 weeks ab shred challenge by Chloe Ting. So अगर आपने मेरा वो bucket list वाला वीडियो देखा होगा तो उसमें मैंने उसमें मैंने मेंशन किया है कि आई विल बी टेकिंग फिटनेस चैलेंजेस इन द ईयर 2021 एंड दिस इज हाउ आई हैव टेकन द फर्स्ट चैलेंज दैट इज क्लोई टिंग्स चैलेंज। आई मीन चैलेंज मैंने लेके पूरा किया है। सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट चैलेंज दैट आई हैव कंप्लीटेड। In the month of November also I had taken one squat challenge. Again in the month of January, that is from 1st of January, I had taken splits challenge and it was like 30 days का duration था and I wasn't able to complete them. I mean बीच बीच में कुछ काम आ जाता था या फिर because of some other reasons the challenge was not able to complete, and this is the first challenge that I would say कि yeah I did it, and it was since 14 days challenge and I was also struggling with my belly fat. So I thought of taking this challenge, and yeah, I've completed the challenge and I'm so happy to share my results with you. So before starting the video, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel because I post content every twice a week. And now let's get started. So these are the measurements on day 1, and so basically her workout program was of like 15 minutes, like maximum 11 to 15 minutes, and each exercise, like there were 14 exercises and each exercise consisted of like 30 seconds and then 10 seconds ka break. But then for me it wasn't like that. So in the initial days, that is first 3-4 days, I took around like 45 minutes to do each workout because there were some exercises that I was doing for the first time, and therefore it took quite a long, and yeah, I used to take like 45 minutes to do all the 14 exercises because after each exercise I used to rest for like 1 to 2 minutes. And yeah. Hey guys, so it's day 1 of the challenge and my lips are chapped. Okay, now I feel better. Okay, so my pre-workout meal was like some fruits, which I'll be making a video on that as I said. So let's start with our day 1 of the Chloe Ting's challenge. So as you all saw the measurement, okay, तो वो मैंने अभी measure किया, and so I think I'll start with those workout exercises which I've been knowing पहले से ही, जैसे कि Russian twists, then bicycle crunches, leg raise, planks and cross mountain climbers. So I'll do these ones because I've been doing them since quite a long, and बाकी के exercises I'll do बाद में. So let's start with those ones first. So आज का वर्कआउट मैंने कर लिया, and I didn't feel much pain in my ab region. It's like pretty normal, but ऐसा बोलते हैं कि जिस दिन आप करते हो उस दिन आपको फील नहीं होता, but the next day you will feel the pain. So let's see कि कल क्या होता है in the morning, whether it pains or it doesn't pain. And yeah, I did take long breaks after each exercise, and it just went for 40 minutes. I think I have to stop doing that. Hey guys, so it's the day 2, and I didn't feel much pain. So there were some videos in which I saw that people were saying that you are not able to laugh or something. तो वैसा कुछ मेरा सीन नहीं है. I'm just feeling normal. And कल मैंने एक exercise miss कर दी. I mean skip कर दी. That is up and down plank because I was not at all able to do that. तो मैंने वो नहीं किया, but today I think I'll start my workout with that exercise. I hope I'll be able to do it. So I managed to do the up and down plank, but but not in that speed in what Chloe does. So I think in the journey of 14 days journey, I'll be able to do it. And also I don't sweat so much. Like people say that the exercise you sweat a lot, but in my case I didn't sweat that much. But yeah, little bit of sweat. Yeah, I did sweat a little bit, but not so. Today is the day 6, and I'm feeling little bit of back pain, lower back pain. I don't know why. But then yesterday I was watching Chloe Ting's workout videos, in which she said that if you don't do your planks properly, or if you don't do mountain climbers properly, then there are chances that you might feel lower back pain. So I think I didn't do my planks properly, and that's why I think my back is paining. So I think I need to focus on my planks properly. Yeah. Also I'm excited because tomorrow is the day 7. So tomorrow I'll be taking measurements. Until now my belly is feeling like flat, and so I'm just excited for tomorrow. Okay, and the best thing to tell you guys is like I've been taking less breaks, so like it's reduced to 30 minutes, 28 minutes, and I'm very happy for that. And I want to still reduce it to like 25 or 20 minutes, because that is the only duration, or that is the exact duration that Chloe takes. So I think to get good results, even I have to stop, even take less breaks. So it's day 10 of the challenge, and and I forgot to tell you all that I'll be mentioning all the exercises in my description, so that you don't have to wonder what exact exercises I've been doing. Also, I'm feeling much more better. I mean, 4 days to go to the final day, and I don't know, I'm super excited because I don't know what is going to happen. I'm just excited. It's day 14, but I'm not that excited because I'm very bloated, and I got my periods in the morning, and I'm very bloated, so I don't think I'll get the results that I was excited about, but still let's check out what. Maybe if I wouldn't have got bloated, I could have got good results or whatever it is. But still, I'm happy with the results. Like that, it was like it wasn't that time consuming, or it wasn't that I had to lift weights or something like that. It was just a normal workout, and it's amazing. So I lost 4 inches. Also, one thing I would like to mention is that every person is different from the other. Everyone has different body processes and metabolism rate. So some people might get results instantly, some people might take time to get results, but you should keep on trying and not give up. And I think you should go for this exercise and just give your best. And I am pretty sure that not today, but in some days you'll get your results, so just keep on trying. So on day 7, I was actually shocked to see the results, because it was like transforming, and I was very happy with the results. Also, I used to take in the initial days, as I said, कि 45 minutes लगते थे, and suddenly I got used to all the workout routine, and then it got reduced to like 25 to 30 minutes, and I was very happy to see that. So this was it for the video, guys. I'm very much happy with the results I got. Oh my god, Chloe Ting, thank you so much. So I would recommend, if you guys are facing belly fat issues, please try this workout. There are some exercises which are a little bit difficult if you are a beginner, if you haven't tried them before. But like if you are a person who does crunches and leg raises, like I used to do them from quite a long. That is why these were like easy for me. So if you are someone who has been doing these type of exercises, you can do them on a regular basis, and y'all will get good results. I mean, yeah, I'm not joking. Or there are many videos on YouTube who have taken the floatings challenge and have found amazing results. So I think there is no harm in taking this challenge. So go forward for it and just do it. And yeah, so this was for today's video. So if you have liked the video, please give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I post content every twice a week. And yeah, do follow me on Instagram as well. And I'm also making a video on what I used to eat in those 14 days. So you can check out my video. It is coming on this Friday, so you can check out that, and then you can just plan for yourself. And yeah, next week I'm coming with another challenge video. So till then, I'll see you. Bye.